2025, Roborock continues to dominate the robot vacuum market with cutting-edge designs and powerful automation, making home cleaning easier and smarter than ever. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 Roborock robot vacuums you can get right now, counting down from number 5 to number 1. Whether you're after next-level mopping performance, extreme suction power, or AI-powered obstacle recognition, this list has you covered. For current pricing and availability, you can check the links in the description. At number 5, we have the Roborock S8 Max Ultra. This model delivers a balanced mix of performance and innovation, with its flexi-arm design extending the side brush to clean concave corners and under furniture for total coverage. The extra edge mopping system allows it to get as close as 1.68 millimeters to edges, meaning less dust hiding along baseboards. Its RockDock Ultra base automatically washes the mop with hot water, dries it with hot air, and even dispenses detergent for months at a time. With 8,000 pPa suction power and dual vibration modules scrubbing 4,000 times per minute, the S8 Max Ultra can handle everything from fine dust to dried-on spills. Combined with smart LiDAR navigation and 3D obstacle avoidance, it creates precise maps, avoids hazards, and gives you full control through the upgraded Roborock app. At number 4, the Roborock S8 Max V Ultra takes things a step further. Its all-in-one RockDock Ultra not only washes, dries, and refills automatically, but also supports auto dust emptying mid-clean. Its intelligent dirt detection system decides when extra mop washing or remopping is needed for stubborn stains. The S8 Max V Ultra also introduces Roborock's FlexiArm side brush and extra edge mopping system for meticulous edge cleaning. Under the hood, it delivers a jaw-dropping 10,000 psi suction power with the Duo Roller Riser brush system, ensuring a deep clean on carpets and hard floors. It uses Viberize 3.0 technology to lift the mop when it detects carpet, preventing unwanted dampness. Powered by Reactive AI 2.0, it navigates complex spaces and avoids over 100 types of obstacles, from shoes to pet messes. Plus, with built-in video calling and remote cruise control, you can check in on your pets or home anytime. Taking the number 3 spot is the Roborock Saros 10. With its ultra-thin 3.14-inch profile, retractable LDS and RGB camera, it reaches under beds and sofas with ease. Its 22,000 PA suction and tangle-free main brush make it ideal for homes with pets or long hair. What sets the Saros 10 apart is its hot water sonic vibration mopping system, scrubbing up to 4,000 times per minute to lift even the most stubborn stains. The Viberize 4.0 system automatically lifts and detaches the mop when transitioning to carpets, ensuring a dry and efficient clean. Its triple-sensor Reactive AI 3.0 system uses LiDAR and structured light to avoid obstacles with pinpoint precision. The new generation RockDock Ultra keeps maintenance simple by washing mops with 176-degree sphere for water, drying with warm air, and dispensing detergent automatically. With its voice assistant and smart home integration, it's one of the most versatile cleaners available. At number 2, we have the Roborock Saros 10R. Like the Saros 10, it sports an ultra-slim 3.14-inch design, but it removes the need for a raised LDS sensor for an even sleeker look. Its Starsight Autonomous System 2.0 allows for precise mapping even under low-clearance furniture, while Vertibeam lateral obstacle avoidance navigates cables and chair legs with ease. The Saros 10R uses the same powerful 22,000 PA Hyperforce suction as its sibling, but upgrades with a Duo-Divide main brush and anti-tangling wheels for easier maintenance. Its FlexiArm riser side brush extends to clean edges and corners, and the Adapt-to-Lift chassis allows it to climb thresholds up to 4 centimeters and automatically lift mops over carpets. The multifunctional Dock 4.0 offers hot water mop washing, hot air drying, detergent dispensing, and 60-day dust collection, making cleaning truly hands-free. With its built-in RGB camera, you can video call your pets, search for them around the house, and even capture snapshots during cleaning. Finally, taking the top spot as the number 1 Roborock vacuum in 2025 is the Saros Z70. This flagship model is a true game-changer with its OmniGrip mechanical arm, capable of lifting objects, moving obstacles, and even organizing small household items like socks and tissues. It uses dual cameras, LED lighting, and weight sensors to safely handle items up to 300 grams. During cleaning, it first marks and lifts obstacles, then returns to clean those previously blocked areas, guaranteeing 100% floor coverage. Its 22,000 par suction and upgraded hot water spinning mop leave no dirt behind, while its Adaptalift chassis climbs thresholds up to 4 centimeters and lifts the mop 22 millimeters over carpets. The StarSight 3D navigation system recognizes over 108 types of obstacles, and users can even label 50 additional objects via the Roborock app for a personalized cleaning experience. The 10-in-1 multifunctional dock offers hot water mop washing, automatic mop removal, auto detergent dispensing, warm air drying, and dust emptying for up to 7 weeks. Plus, its pet-friendly features include video call and cruise, pet recognition, and even a search for pet mode if your furry friend goes missing. Simply put, the Saros Z70 is more than a vacuum. It's a smart home assistant. In 2025, Roborock has proven that robot vacuums can be more than just floor cleaners. From the powerful and precise S8 Max Ultra to the revolutionary Saros Z70 with its robotic arm, there's a model for every home and every need. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more smart home tech reviews.